This is very good application, assuming if you can be able to join like 10 group in Telegram or 10 group in WhatsApp, or you can be able to make posting like 50 posting in your WhatsApp status a day. You can be able to get a very huge amount of money. Let's look at review in Google Play. Maybe you can be able to make, for example, 10 review, 10 times 30. You can see up to 300 Naira. Then join a Telegram group. Assuming you can join 10 Telegram group by day, 10 times 50. You can see 500 Naira. And all these tasks you can do it within 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes, you can get up to 1,000 or 2,000 a day. And this is what you can do as much as you can with this application, that is Hawkit. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you an update about this application, that is Hawkit, which is very important, which you can use to make huge amount of money daily. The first thing, if you want to get this application, you have to proceed to your Google Play and search for it. This is my Google Play. If you search for Hawkit, you are going to see the application, and the application is very reliable. It has review up to 4.3. Yes, this application is very reliable. You are going to open it. You are going to install it. Me, because I already installed it, I'm just going to open. If you open your application, this is how you are going to see the application. You are going to go through and get registered. You are going to sign up. You are going to sign up. Enter your full name. That is the enter your full name, and then your Refferal ID. Yes, I'm going to my ID description so that you use it. My ID is this one. This is my ID. I'm going to leave it in my description so that you use. Yes, I'm going to click sign up. You are going to allow it to load. After it's loaded, then you are going to choose a username. Which username? Let me use my channel name, Digital Life. Let me use tour. Yes. Then your address, your email address. You are going to your email address. After your yes, then you are going to use a suitable password. Yes, then proceed create. You are going to create account. Yes. After creating account, then they are going to send you a verification in your email. Then you are just going to proceed to your email address and take your verification that was sent to you, and take the verification that was sent to you. This is my email address that I use. This is my verification code. I'm going to copy it and proceed back to the application, where I'm going to paste the verification code, copied, and then continue. Yes, you are going to finish your setting. You are going to select your gender, male, your state, that is your state. I'm going to choose my state, then local government, then set location. Yes, location is very important. You can choose profile picture, and you can also skip. Let me skip this, then you can place. Yes, this is how the application is looking like. You can become a member. You need to activate your account to start earning. If you want to start earning with this application, you have to activate your account. That is, you are going to become a member. If you want to become a member, you are going to pay a sum of 1000 Naira only, and this is unlimited. If you pay this 1000 Naira, you have unlimited access to their different method of earning, and you can also earn commission. That is 500 Naira per referral. If you refer a person, you are going to earn 500 Naira. Then you can perform different social media tasks and get paid. Yes, earn steady daily figure by following, liking, commenting, and sharing tweet posting. Yes, you can do this and get paid by just simply paying this a membership of 1000 Naira. Yes, that is part number 1, becoming a membership. Then you can also buy social portfolio. You can pay this application some amount so that you can get subscribers in your YouTube channel, or you can get likes in your Facebook, Instagram, and other social media. But we are going to discuss on this second option later, but we are going to concentrate on becoming a member. If you want to become a member, after you pay that amount, you can have unlimited access to their social media tax. Get started. Yes, this is what you are going to do in this application. As I already, you can make a review in Apple Store and get paid 60 Naira per review. 60 Naira per review. And if you make a review in Google Play, you are going to be paid 30 Naira per review. Joining Telegram group is 50 Naira per joining. Also that of WhatsApp, if you join a group in WhatsApp, you are going to be paid 50 Naira. Then posting status in your WhatsApp, it is 20 Naira per post. Then joining Twitter, retweeting is 10 Naira. Then sharing post on Facebook is also 10 Naira. Then commenting in either Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and others is 15 Naira. You can all perform these tasks after you became a member. If you want to become a member, you are just going to become a member and start earning. Then click here, pay now. You can pay using two methods. You can pay online. You can all pay from your wallet. Let's take up this. If you want to pay online, you are going to fill your card details here and proceed with your payment. Then there is another method. You can also pay using your wallet balance. Assuming if you already add money to your wallet, you can use it to become a member. This membership has so many benefits. You can be able to access that social media tax where you can be paid, and you can also buy airtime after you became a member. That is, you register with 1000 Naira, you can be able to buy data at the rate of 250, and there is so many discount. You can also buy 2.5 gigabyte at the rate of 490. This is 1 gigabyte at the rate of 250, and its validity is 30 days, which is very okay. There is so many benefit here, buying airtime at a cheaper rate and so many other things. There is also market. That is why I say this application is very reliable. You can start shopping, you can advertise your product in this channel, in this application, that is start selling, and you can also buy. Yes, this application is very reliable. They are not going to run away with your 1000 Naira. Yes, you can be able to see so many products here where you can be able to buy, and you can also be able to post your advert so that you can start selling, which I'm going to make video on it later. But now I'm going to stop on only performing social media tags, and you can be able to get paid as I already show you. Yes, as you can see, this is my dashboard. You can see 149 pending balance of 14 Naira. This product I just started and I get this amount of money. But as I told you, you must remember, you can start earning. That is, you are going to pay a fee of 1000 Naira, and that 1000 Naira is permanent. After you pay it, you can be able to continue performing your social media tags and get paid. As much as you can do the social media tags, you can be able to get your money. Then this money you can be able to withdraw it. You can press a withdraw button and it will take you to the place that you can update your bank detail. You can select your bank. After you finish, you enter all your bank details and you place your withdrawal. The withdrawal is very fast. Then you can pound your wallet also. Assuming if you are using this application and you want to use it for purchasing of airtime or selling of airtime, selling of data, you can pound your wallet. Enter the amount that you want to pound. After you enter it, you want to pound and pay. Pound your wallet, start using bank transfer and also using USD. That is brief about how you can earn massively on this application. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel so that you will get my videos whenever I upload it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.